Coming soon on WatchAdvisor on YouTube is a behind the scene video where we show you how the BVLGARI Octo Finissimo is made. Already now you see that the base plate is much thinner than the ones you used to see. We have been in the Vallée de Joux where BVLGARI makes the movements, and there we have been filming the entire production cycle of a movement from the different parts to the decoration of those to the assembly of the entire movement. You will see everything. It's a microcosmos. Octo Finissimo is the world of miniaturization. And of course, we have been at the headquarters of BVLGARI in Neuchatêl, where we filmed how the entire watch is assembled. So you will be able to see how this iconic timepiece is made. And if I'm talking about iconic timepiece, you know, we say that every decade in the watch industry, one iconic design is made. And yes, this decade is the decade of the BVLGARI Octo Finissimo. So don't miss the video, it will be online very, very soon.